Welcome in this exclusive villa in Son Veri Nou, Mallorca South. This amazing property is located in a stunning waterfront location where you can find the best views over the Bay of Palma. Could you imagine sitting here, having a glass of wine with your loved ones or your friends and watching the sunset and the sea? The luxury estate offers light fluted rooms with an open concept. As you can appreciate, only high-quality materials were used throughout the whole property. And on the top, it has a valid holiday rental license.